Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 106. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Police. I'm glad that finally today, this question, which in fact I've been raising for the past 2 years, with regards to the relocation of CRPF temporary camps from Mawlai. The CRPF camp in Mawlai has been a bone of contention for the people of my constituency, and especially who will know better than me, who are staying within that locality where the CRPF camp is located temporarily. In fact, the demand for relocation of CRPF camp, it is not something new. It has been there for many years. And in fact, the demand for relocation of CRPF camp has been felt necessary and urgent since 2021. And in fact, in the year 2022, there has been an incident where it has led to a law and order situation within the locality near the CRPF temporary camps. And in fact, the members from the different locality have met the Honorable Home Minister at that point of time, as well as the Chief Minister, where in fact both the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Home Minister at that point of time have assured the community leaders that they will take this matter very seriously, and they have also categorically assured that they will shift this temporary CRPF camp from Mawlai. However, I am surprised that for the last 2 years, I've been asking this question, and the reply is the same. Though it has come up today, I'm happy that I could raise and get the assurance from the Honorable Minister, but then I'm sad to see the reply from the Minister that the matter is still under examination for the last, not just 2 years, but for the last many years. So can I get the assurance from the Honorable Minister, specifically when will the CRPF camp, temporary camp from Mawlai, will be relocated to another location?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am also happy that this very important question come up today for the information, the clarity of all the honorable members in this August House, that we need to know the reality. Sir, let me come back straight to the point because of the time constraint. In 2022, in fact, we have already decided that temporary camp of about 4 places where we camp the CRPF personnel is to be shifted to one designated place. And in 2022, sir, in fact, in the month of May, we are about to earmark 10 acres of land in New Township, in New Shillong. But before signing of the MOU, some localities that side, they raised a strong opposition for creating a camping site of the CRPF. And see, this fear psychosis, I should say, sir, it has already started long time back. Because the moment we understand CRPF is the paramilitary force from the central government, so you know that fear psychosis continue to be there with us. Let me explain here, sir. CRPF is totally different from the central paramilitary forces or from the central forces. It's totally different. CRPF is being requisitioned from time to time by the state government on the need basis. And right now we have two places, one is in Shillong and one is in Tura. And the total manpower of the CRPF as of today, we have not even 400. It's below 400. And it is being fully controlled by the state government. Sir, I think in the next week or the next month, I would like to take up this issue, personally maybe with all the traditional heads or with the Dorbar Shnong, to convince them, because this land is supposed to be earmarked for the camping site of in Shillong of these 4 places where we have. It is true that the local MLA from Mawlai, I think we have seen the problems that created long time back, and even yes, I think in the year 21, 22, it again reoccurred. So we really wanted to do that, to shift them into one place. And recently, government under the Urban Affairs Department has already allotted 50 acres of land to Meghalaya Police, which we would like to also name it as Meghalaya State Security Complex. Sir, very soon, as I said to you, because we wanted to carry along everybody, that fear psychosis should not be there, because as I said to you, CRPF, I should say it's only more or less like our own battalion. Whenever we need them, we utilize their service. And we are so thankful to the government of India, from time to time, they still at least allow us to get the additional force for meeting different challenges that we have on daily basis. So, sir, and I would like to also request the honourable member from Mawlai and all our members in this August House, let us also highlight, create an awareness in our respective constituency about this issue. Because people, as I said to you, they have that misconception by saying that the moment government allot land to CRPF, it will be just like BSF, it will be just like GOC, it will be just like Assam Rifle and so on and so forth. But it is not, sir. And the land, again, as I said to you, it will be with the government only. Even if we allot land to CRPF, it is on lease basis. It will not, they will not own it, because we are owning the land. And not only that, we need only the service. It's not that we need them permanently to be in the permanent site. So, sir, with this few clarifications, and I'm sure the honourable members who understand the ground reality. And right now we have also honourable MLA from Mawlai, because this particular place where, we propose to, to earmark this land to the CRPF falls to his constituency. Sir, I would fervently request to kindly help us out, that the people understand about this intention of the government.